So problem number 1 is asking us a construction company is setting up signs on 2 miles of road. If the company places a sign every quarter mile, how many signs will it use? So I can write down the important information. 2 miles, sign every quarter mile. Yes, Cortera? You've got a model? Okay. So what do you use, like a number line? Okay. I'm going to modify that just a bit. I'm going to basically have the same that you did. So you said that you had 1 mile, then 2 miles, right? Something like that? Okay. So how many 1/4, how many quarters are inside the first mile? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fourths are inside the second mile? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can count these if I wanted to. Oops. So that had 4 1/4, and this one will have 4 fourths as well. That ends up being 8 fourths total. Because what is 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4? 8 fourths. And I know if I wanted to simplify 8 fourths, what does this simplify to?
4, 2.
All right. But the question was, how many signs do I need? So I need 1 sign per fourth. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 signs. What's a division sentence I could write to show this expression? It's easy. 2 is being divided into 1/4 size groups. Okay. What's a multiplication sentence I could write? Rihanna? 2 times 4. Okay. So 2 times 4, what's the product of 2 times 4? Everyone? 2 times 4.
8.
All right, let's do some keep change flip. I'm going to keep the 2 change. What's the reciprocal of 1/4?
4.
And then what's the product of 2 times 4? So either way, I get the same answer. I can use a model, I can use multiplication, or I can use division. The answer is 8 signs, and then we circle it, right? Let's look at the next problem. It says, George bought 4 submarine sandwiches for a birthday party. If each person will eat 2/3 of a sandwich, how many people can George feed? What's my important information? What do I need to write down? What am I sharing? Okay, so I'm going to say 4 subs. And then each person is going to get what size group of a sandwich?
2/3.
Okay, so can anyone think of a division sentence that would show how many 2/3 there are? I keep getting the same 3 people. They're going to be getting experience. Cortera?
4 divided by 2/3.
4 divided by 2/3. Very good, because that will tell me how many 2/3 I have total. Rihanna, what's a multiplication sentence I could write? And that's going to be equal to 4 times 3. Does anyone have a little bit different? What do you think is easy? Do you have a different multiplication sentence we could write? No? All right, well, let's see if 4 divided by 2/3 is the same as 4 times 3.
No, it can't be.
Oh, you forgot about 2?
Keep change flip.
Okay, so you're using what you know about key change flip. Well, before we solve either one of these, I want to draw a model. I want to show a tape diagram or a number line. In this case, I'm going to use a number line. I'm going to start with 0 subs, going to 4 subs. How many subs do I have total?
4.
Those of you paying attention say 4. Okay, now what size groups am I splitting this into? The first sub is being split into
2/3.
thirds. It's being split into thirds. The second sub is being split into
Thirds.
The third sub is being split into.
Thirds.
The fourth sub is being split into.
Thirds.
You see how we're splitting each sub into the same size groups?
Yes.
Okay, so if I want to find out my true answer by modeling, the first person is going to get how much of a sub?
1/3.
2/3. So I'm counting by 2 because that's 1/3, 2/3. So that's 2/3. The second person is going to get how much of a sub?
2/3.
The third person is going to get how much?
2/3.
The fourth person is going to get.
2/3.
The fifth person is going to get.
2/3.
The sixth person is going to get.
2/3.
So how many people do I have total?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's look at our division sentence. If I want to keep, change, flip. What is 4 times 3? And this 2 just carries across because I know it's just going to be multiplied times 1. Okay, that's an improper fraction. 12 halves. 12 divided by 2. I keep having the same 3. You guys are doing awesome. ZZ? 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. And that's exactly what I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. So let's see if this works. Well, it looks like it does. Keep getting the same answer either way. Okay, so did we see how the original 4 times 3, that would have gotten us a strange answer. That would have gotten 12 people. That's twice the amount of people. So instead, that's it.